welcome to my channel. We are approaching to a very, very special time of the year, which I love. This is Christmas coming up. I'm really, really excited, and especially the Christmas is really special, but I'm here with the family. Although situation is a little bit of, unfortunate because my mom and dad are sick, and I'm here mostly to take care of them. But today I decided to take time off, get inspired, plant up some Christmas containers, and I think that's going to be really fun and beautiful. And then we'll be festive at the house as well. And as many of you guys know, I'm staying with my brother, and so we just painted this room. There is not a whole lot here, which I thought it was the perfect time to get this project done and do video, take you guys along on what I'm doing here. So hope you guys will get some time to do this kind of things at the house for yourself and start decorating your place and do some really fun projects. So today I'm going to plant up 4 containers. I have one modern container here. I have another one. It's more of an antique container, which I think it's really, really beautiful and darling. And I have 2 containers here. You can see, actually I found this at my mom's and I thought they were so beautiful. I decided to use them. So what I'm going to do with those is I have some moss here, which I'm going to soak in the water and try to fill these containers with the moss, also with the soil, to be able to plant some hyacinths, some daffodils in this small one. And then I have 2 varieties of amaryllis. One is a blush, white and pink, a little bit of a pink. I have 2 of the different kind of variety, which is more of a coral color with the white centers. You can see this one is already having another bud coming through. And daffodils, so I have a few daffodils here. I have 2 small bags of little daffodils. These are beautiful white variety. And then I have hyacinths, just mixed colors. For Christmas decorations, I went to Hobby Lobby, which is one of my favorite stores, and when I'm in Colorado, it's impossible for me to not go there because I always find some really fun stuff there. So I found a really nice, beautiful Christmas ornaments that or Christmas decorations. It would be really fun to incorporate with my planting in my containers. I think these ones are going to be for white container with whiter and blush amaryllis. I have the red variety here with the beautiful berries. I also bought eucalyptus, which has these beautiful silvery sparkles on the leaves, and I thought this would be really beautiful with the white. There also I have this one, this is really beautiful. I love this. This one is a pussy willow, and I thought it would be really beautiful with the whites. So also I have reindeers. I thought it would be really fun to place them in a Christmas container. And then just a few really fun things here. I found these in Michael's, and some pine cones, etc. I have some moth. So I'm not really sure how this is all going to go. I basically just purchased everything that I thought it would be really fun to decorate with, and then I'll try to put them all together and see how all of them will come together as well. So we'll get going here. So I think for this large container, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place these 2 reindeers, what I'd like to do in this large container. And look how beautiful this is. And I have the cardinal sitting on a bag on both of them. I think this is just really beautiful. And putting both of them together will bring some beautiful movement because one is standing and the other one is sitting. And that's my goal. So I'll go ahead and start planting and see what happens. Okay everyone, so I went ahead and finished everything. I hope you like it and I hope that you enjoyed the process. So in this container I went ahead and planted all the hyacinths. I had only a couple of daffodils left from this container, so I went ahead and planted them in the center. And also they're taller than hyacinths, and I thought it might be beautiful when they start growing. It will give a really nice height right in the center. And then here you can see we planted about 4 daffodils, which would be really beautiful when they start growing. And I love these 2 containers, how they came out. As you can see, I went ahead and inserted some moth on the exterior part of the container, and then I lined that with the black plastic underneath. I did poke holes just to give a little drainage because you know, you probably don't even need that because, of course, bulbs, they just don't need lots and lots of water. They just need to be moist, and they don't, you know, we are not going to water them too much. But I give them a little bit of a drainage just in case, if, you know, for the water to have a place that it will escape from the bottom. And then you can see this one is more red a toned amaryllis, which you can see I mostly planned to have this container in red and whites. And then I have the white variety here with the sage kind of green, sage green with the eucalyptus, which brings that beautiful kind of sage green color with the white. And I planted few hyacinths in here, and I thought it would be kind of fun to have more surprises coming out and flowering as real plants. And placed some pine cones around it with moss to make sure I hide all the edges of the container. I actually didn't have enough. I think I need to get just a little more to add here in the back, but I think for the most part it's covered. And you can see this one is more of a blush color amaryllis. It's going to be really beautiful with this white tones. I do have a little bit of a red, but it's beautiful to have that red berry. Always beautiful the berries in the Christmas time, so I love that look. I think for most part they turned out really nice, and I absolutely love how the reindeers came out. I think this is really beautiful, and I love the sparkles because it's Christmas. You have to have sparkles, and I love sparkles, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and I hope this gave you inspiration to do something like this for your homes for Christmas. It's always so fun to create. So I think this will be all for today. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.